In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the countdown module. The countdown module simply counts down to a date if you're choosing. This is a great way to create anticipation for a product you might be launching. For example, here I've begun to create a nice little splash page that will act as our coming soon page. We can send visitors to this page so they can see how close we are to releasing our new product. For example, here I'm going to create a splash page for Divi 2.0. Now if we go back to our builder for that page, the first thing you're going to need to do is add a new row. So I'm going to add a new row and click Insert Columns. In this case, I want my counter to expand the full width of the section, so I'm going to choose the single column row. Then I'm going to choose Insert Modules and look for the Countdown Timer module. There it is. Now you can give your countdown a title. So I'm going to say Divi 2.0 coming soon. Now I'm going to count down to a date. You have to choose a future date. So choosing May 21st. Done. Now you can choose your text color. Since I have my countdown timer on this deep purple, I'm going to choose to have my text color be light so it shows up well. You can also choose to add a custom background color. In this case, I'm going to choose no, since I just want my counter to appear right over that purple background. You can also, of course, add an admin label, CSS ID, or CSS class, which I will leave blank for now. And click Update. Let's take a look at our page now. You can see that a countdown timer has been added. Right below our Divi logo, it says Divi 2.0 coming soon, and it counts down from days, hours, minutes, and seconds, all the way down to the date that you chose. You can also choose to give it a background color. I skipped this step before, but let's take a look at what it would look like with the background color. I'm going to choose yes instead of no, and then choose a background color. In this case, I'm going to make it a light purple. And since I chose a light color, this time I'm going to make my text dark. Click Update. See what we got. There we go. And that's a basic overview of how to use the countdown timer module.